Credit Versio features, strengths, weaknesses. Credit Versio is a DIY credit repair software platform designed to guide individuals through the process of disputing inaccurate or unverifiable information on their credit reports. Key features include a built-in dispute letter generator with customizable templates, a credit report analyzer that identifies potential inaccuracies, a progress tracker to monitor dispute outcomes, and educational resources to enhance credit knowledge. Credit Versio caters primarily to individuals with limited credit repair experience seeking an affordable and user-friendly alternative to hiring a professional credit repair agency. It's also suitable for those comfortable managing the dispute process independently and who have the time to dedicate to it. One of Credit Versio's significant strengths lies in its accessibility and cost-effectiveness. Compared to expensive credit repair services, it offers a budget-friendly way to tackle credit inaccuracies. The intuitive interface simplifies the process, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Furthermore, the dispute letter templates are a major time saver, and the progress tracker provides a clear overview of the dispute process. However, Credit Versio has limitations. The software cannot guarantee credit score improvement, as results depend on the accuracy of the information being disputed and the responsiveness of the credit bureaus. It also lacks personalized legal advice, which a professional credit repair agency might provide. Users must be proactive in monitoring their credit reports and following up on disputes, as the software only provides the tools, not the manpower. Additionally, while the educational resources are helpful, they might not be as comprehensive as those offered by dedicated financial education platforms. Another potential weakness is the reliance on pre-written templates. While customizable, they may not always be tailored to specific, complex credit situations, potentially reducing their effectiveness in challenging more intricate inaccuracies. In conclusion, Credit Versio is a valuable tool for individuals seeking a DIY approach to credit repair. Its ease of use, affordability, and helpful features make it a strong contender for those willing to invest their time and effort into managing their credit disputes. However, it's essential to understand its limitations. It's not a magic bullet for fixing credit, and it requires active participation and a realistic understanding of the credit repair process. If you're comfortable with a hands-on approach and want to save money, Credit Versio is worth considering. If you need personalized guidance or have complex credit issues, a professional credit repair service might be a better fit.